Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to check the flight status using the Wizz app. Just open the app, wait a little bit, and then go to the top left corner, and now you will see this. Scroll down a little bit, and here you can find this help center. Tap on it and it will open this page where you can click on this flight status button and then specify the details of the flight. It's possible to search by flight number or by airport. For example, leaving from, I don't know, Prague, and the destination is Albania. Okay, and search. Now we can see that this flight was on time. That's basically it. I hope it helps.